Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Weekend is finally here, so am I with a brand new video, and today we have a special mystery box to check out. So Zebronics has sent us a huge package, guys, and let me tell you, this is like a complete mystery because they haven't told me what's inside this package. Thing is, the brand has launched like a couple of new products in their gaming series lineup, and they reached out to me saying, "Hey Vimal, we wanted you to check out our new products and make a review on your channel." And there you go, the package has already arrived. But the biggest question is, as I've told you, I have like no clue what's inside this package, and that is making me like super excited to unbox and show you what do we have in this mystery box. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is a mystery box I was talking about, guys. Zebronics has sent us. It's a huge box packaging and was definitely a bit heavy. Now I'm not sure like if there is one product in the inside or like multiple products. We'll have to unbox and see what the brand has sent us. Let me just remove this out of packaging. And there you go, guys. On the box packaging, it says Zebronics Wi-Fi USB mini adapter. Now that is making me curious, like why would a small adapter require this big package? Let's just open it and see what do we have on the inside. Okay, here we go. Okay, so Zebronics was definitely bluffing us with the outer box packaging. They've just randomly used some box, I believe. So inside we've got some peripherals, guys. Looks like this is a keyboard, right? Yep, it's a brand new mechanical gaming keyboard by the name Zeb Max Chroma. It's an RGB mechanical keyboard, guys. And let me just come back to this again. Let me just keep it aside and see what else is in the package. Looks like a headset. Yep, this is a gaming headset by the name ZebRush, and even this one has RGB lighting on board. And lastly, let's see what else do we have inside. Oh, this is an RGB gaming mouse pad, guys. So we've got lots of RGB gaming peripherals over here, and that's it, I guess. Looks like there is nothing else in the package. So let me just clean up all this mess and be right back to continue the video. These are the three items that Zebronics has sent us for today's Mystery Tech unboxing video. We've got a keyboard, a gaming headset, and also an RGB gaming mouse pad. That is pretty sick, right? So first we'll start with the keyboard and then we'll check out the other products. So the keyboard is Zeb Max Chroma, guys. It's their premium category mechanical RGB gaming keyboard and comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got a picture of the keyboard on the front and mentioned some of its features over here, like it's got RGB lighting, 18 different lighting effects, 5 speed modes, and also brightness is also adjustable. It's got gold plated USB, 104 keys on board, and also supports Windows key enable and disable toggle. So those were some of its main highlights, and at the back side also we've got pretty much the same thing written. So without wasting any more time, let's directly check out the product. And on opening the box, we've got a brand new keyboard at the top side, nicely packed in this cover. Let me just remove all this packaging material and give you a closer look at the product. Oh wow. Oh, now this is a very different looking keyboard. See, the Max Chroma, as I've mentioned, is a premium category mechanical gaming keyboard and features a unique RGB palm rest, guys. And along with that in the package, you also got a key remover tool as well. And that's it. These were the two only items you got in the package. So giving a closer look, this is how the Zebronics Max Chroma keyboard looks like. It's got this complete blue and black finishing and has a circuit kind of design on the palm rest as well. The palm rest is like built into the body only, guys. It's non-detachable and looks pretty attractive. Overall build quality also looks decent. Entire body is like made of polycarbonate material. You've got the Zebronics branding at the top side and circuit kind of design. It's also quite slim, guys, and has this chrome finishing on the edges. And here's how the keyboard looks from the back side. Entire matte black finish at the backside with polycarbonate body. You got some rubber foot pads on all the corners, angle adjustment footrests, and a wired cable at the center. Now this is a wired gaming keyboard, so you obviously have like a 2-meter braided cable with a gold USB connector at the end. So that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now moving on, let's also check out the headset. Now the name of the headset we'll be checking out today is called as the ZebRush. It's their affordable category RGB gaming headset and comes in this sort of box packaging. Talking about the highlights, it's got RGB lighting on board, has dual 3.5mm connectors, braided cable, comes with 40mm neodymium drivers, and also has a mic on board. The product also comes with like a built-in dual to single pin converter as well in the package. So you can even use it with your smartphone or any other devices. Very nice, and that is pretty much it, guys. These were some of its main highlights. So let's quickly unbox this product also and check it out. By the way, the headset is available in like two colors, red and blue. Let's see what the brand has sent us. From the looks of it, looks like we've got the blue color variant. Let me just take it out of this cover and show you. There you go, guys, our first look at the ZebRush affordable category RGB gaming headset from the brand. Okay, this looks pretty nice. So let me just give you a closer look and show you how the design and the overall build quality of the headset looks like. See guys, it's a basic wired RGB gaming headset, and yes, as you can see, you do have a mic that is also adjustable. It's got a flexible microphone on board, and giving you a closer look, you've got the Zebronics branding. Build quality looks like okayish because it's entirely made of plastic and looks a bit plasticky to me. You've got the RGB lighting on the ear cups, and has a two-tone design. Most of the part is made of like matte black finish, while some of the areas are covered in glossy black finish. Going to the top side also, nothing much over here, a simple and minimalistic design, and as usual, like most of the other headsets, even the length of this headband is adjustable. It's got a metal frame on the inside, and you can easily adjust it like this to fit any head size. Now taking a closer look, let's check out all the available buttons and connectivity ports on the headset. On the left side is where you've got this non-detachable adjustable microphone. Actually, it's a boom mic, and you can easily flex it like this and adjust it as per your convenience. Talking about the design guys, the ear cups are not adjustable. That means they do not swivel, but they do offer comfortable ear pads covered in artificial leather and do feel soft and spongy. At the top side also, under the headband, you do have cushioning over here so that you'll get like extra comfort while gaming. That's it, there are no buttons or anything present on the headset. Everything is present on this remote control unit over here. The headset comes with a non-detachable 2-meter cable which extends to this remote control, and you've got the Zebronics branding over here. There's a microphone on-off toggle button and a volume control wheel. Using this, you can easily adjust the volume on the go. And that extends into a 2-meter cable that's got like 3 pins guys, two 3.5mm, one for microphone, one for the headset audio, and there's also a USB port to give power to the LED lighting on the headset. Now suppose if you want to use this headset on a smartphone, the company has like bundled a 2-in-1 converter in the box only, using which you can easily attach this headset to even your smartphone, tab, or anything else as per your convenience. Now lastly, let's also unbox and check out Zebronics brand new gaming mouse pad guys. It's called the Blaze XL RGB, and this is an RGB gaming mouse pad from the brand. I'm like super excited for this because I think this is their first RGB mouse pad. It's got like 13 RGB lighting effects and modes, 2 levels of brightness, and this is the XL variant, also available in L variant, and the dimensions of this mouse pad are 800 by 300 mm. It's got a microwave texture for like optimal accuracy and offers like a seamless consistent smooth top surface, and also has anti-slip rubber base on the bottom. Let's quickly open it and let me show you how the mouse pad looks like. There we go. So here it is, our first look at Zebronics Blaze XL RGB gaming mouse pad. Oh boy, this is quite big and actually looks quite nice from my first impressions. The overall build quality and finishing of the product looks pretty good, and along with that you do have some paperwork over here. Just make sure to read this, and lastly you get a USB cable to connect this mouse pad to your PC or laptop. Talking about the texture, well, I've already told you, right? The mouse pad comes with like a microwave kind of texture at the top side that feels quite smooth and also offers like good optimal accuracy. And this, my friends, is where you'll get RGB lighting. The whole mouse pad edge is covered in this like optic fiber cable kind of thing that runs all around it, and that will glow in like different colors, and you can even adjust the lighting effects, change the brightness, and a whole lot of stuff, which I'll show you in this video. To the bottom right corner, there's also a control module over here that says Zebronics branding, RGB LED effect change button, and there's also a micro USB port to connect this mouse pad to your PC. And lastly, on the bottom side, you got some details about the product. Now going to the bottom side guys, the other side of the mouse pad, as you can see, it's got this nice anti-slip rubber base kind of texture, so it doesn't slide off the table and offers like a good grip even while you're doing like intense gaming on this mouse pad. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview and first look at all the 3 products. Now let me share like my experience and feedback about the products. Starting off first with the keyboard. As mentioned earlier, this is an RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, and here's how it looks like when you connect it to your PC. First, let me tell you about the ergonomics and the comfort. The Max Chroma feels quite comfortable while typing. It's got beautiful curved keycap sitting at the right angle, and on top of that, the wrist rest also gives a good support to your hand. Instead of plastic, if they had used spongy cushion, that would have been like more comfortable, but anyways they wanted to showcase RGB here, so that is that. Quality of the keys is also very good. Zebronics is giving you blue mechanical switches on board that offer a tactile and clicky feedback and a great experience no matter while typing or gaming, and offers a lifespan of around 8 million clicks. Only thing is, blue switches tend to produce a bit loud sound compared to the other variants. Just listen to this key sound. Talking about the RGB lighting, You're gonna love this part. The keyboard looks ridiculously beautiful with RGB swarming from top to the bottom of the keyboard. It's got 18 different RGB lighting effects. That too, everything can be changed on the go without needing any extra software. Just press the function button and use these set of keys for different type of effects. Even the lighting on the wrist rest is also adjustable. Apart from the lighting, you can even adjust both the brightness and speed of the LED lighting as well. And on the overall, I really had fun using this product. The only thing I felt is it's slightly a bit on the expensive side. See, RGB mechanical keyboards are usually expensive only, but if Zebronics could have bought this thing under 3,500 rupees now, this could have been like a killer in the market. It costs around 3,990 rupees at the moment. I'll leave link to it in the description box below. You can check it out there. Moving on to the gaming headset, the ZebRush is an affordable RGB gaming headset from the brand that features an ergonomic design, and if you ask about the comfort, well, it's not the most comfortable model around this price range. The headset has a rigid structure, the ear cups do not swivel on it, and it's fine for brief sessions of gaming, but not good enough for long sessions as I was feeling a bit uncomfortable after using it for quite some time. RGB lighting is good, it's bright, attractive, but not customizable. And talking about the sound, this is the best part about the headset. The audio quality on this model was very good for the price. I was totally not expecting that. Excellent mids, crisp and clear. You can easily hear and understand all the in-game dialogues. Treble was also good, not too sharp, not too low. And coming to the bass was also nice. It was not overwhelming though, just the right amount of bass to enjoy the overall experience. The audio output was also satisfying, but it was producing a bit of noise and distortion when you go above 90% volume level. As mentioned earlier, it's a multi-platform compatible headset. It works with your PC, smartphones, tabs, and basically any device that supports a 3.5mm jack. Lastly, coming to the mic, microphone quality was kinda okayish for the price. Your teammates can definitely hear and understand what you were talking, but felt a bit muffled. Again, it's a budget category headset, so don't expect a lot from it. The ZebRush headset costs around 1199 rupees. I'll leave a link for this as well in the description box below. And coming to the final product of the day, it's our all new Blaze XL RGB Gaming Mouse Pad. Available in two sizes, large and extra large. We have the XL edition with 800 by 300 dimensions and it's around 4 thick. Excellent stitching quality, love the material they've used, has a micro weave texture on the top surface and literally my mouse just glides all over it. Offers good accuracy also, had no issues while gaming. And since it's got anti-slip rubber on the bottom, it won't even slide here and there even during intense sessions of gaming. Now talking about the RGB, as I've told you at the beginning, it's got optic fiber running all around the edges of the mouse pad that glow up in RGB and everything can be controlled via the module at the top left corner. There's a single button on the module that lets you switch between 13 different lighting effects and by double pressing it, you can adjust the brightness in 2 different steps. The lighting is bright, looks beautiful and the mousepad does the job it promises. Overall, was quite happy with the product. If you ask about the cons, the only thing I felt is for the connectivity, instead of using micro USB, if they would have went with Type-C over here, that would have been awesome. Rest everything else was fine. The L edition costs around 840 rupees and my XL variant costs 1229 rupees. Links for these also will be in the description box below. So that is pretty much it guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about these new products from Zebronics. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.